it's a pain in the side. We got a new system, a paradox-proof plan. Time travel made easy by the genius Coyote clan. Jump through the vortex, no worries, no fuss. No grandfather paradoxes to leave you in a muss. Close time like curves, they're our specialty. History's a highway for you and for me. Forget the weeping angels, their touch a desert line. We got time lords on vacation here to set things right. Quantum machine learning keeps the timeline in check. No Davros disasters, not a single time wreck. Forget the weeping angels, their touch a desert line. We got time lords on vacation here to set things right. Quantum machine learning keeps the timeline in check. No Davros disasters, not a single time wreck. Jump through the vortex, no worries, no fuss. No grandfather paradoxes to leave you in a muss. Close time like curves, they're our specialty. History's a highway for you and for me. So ditch the sonic screwdriver, that buzzing old thing. We got temporal mechanics that make the future sing. Nanosecond precision on an infinite track. While your doctor regenerates, we're bringing time back. Forget the dollars, their extermination threats. We got ethics committees and historical vets. No messing with timelines, no rewriting the past. Just a smooth time traveling journey that's built to last. Jump through the vortex, no worries, no fuss. No grandfather paradoxes to leave you in a muss. Close time like curves, they're our specialty. History's a highway for you and for me. Forget the Cybermen, their cold metal sheet. We got AI companions, the wittiest team. They'll translate the languages of everywhere and where. No need for a universal translator, we got it all right here. Forget the regeneration sickness that leaves you green and ill. We got time travel spas with a temporal thrill. Step out youthful and vibrant, no matter your age. The genius Coyote way station, turn back history's page. Jump through the vortex, no worries, no fuss. No grandfather paradoxes to leave you in a muss. Close time like curves, they're our specialty. History's a highway for you and for me. So come on, adventurous, time travel awaits. With the genius Coyote, there's no time bend.
Beauty will save the world.
Beauty will save the world.
Don't let us forget that the causes of human actions are usually immeasurably more complex and varied than our subsequent explanations of them. It is better to be unhappy and know the worst than to be happy in a fool's paradise. Lack of originality everywhere, all over the world, from time immemorial, has always been considered the foremost quality. And the recommendation of the active, efficient, and practical man. Fyodor Dostoevsky. A fool with a heart And no sense is just as unhappy as a fool with sense and no heart. Grown-up people do not know that a child can give exceedingly good advice, even in the most difficult case. Beauty will save the world. One can't understand everything at once. We can't begin with perfection all at once. In order to reach perfection, one must begin by being ignorant of a great deal. And if we understand things too quickly, perhaps we shan't understand them thoroughly. Beauty can save the world.